So, Professor, what are we doing today?
We are going to do our volcano experiment.
How are we going to do that?
Well, we're going to need a test tube, vinegar. We're going to need a test tube, vinegar, volcano form, dishwashing liquid, large shallow pan, red volcano powder, and goggles.
Yep.
Okay, let's get started. Assistant, please pour vinegar in the test tube at the 3 ml line.
Alright.
And let's pray that our dog does not float around us.
Okay.
No, boy.
It's a little over.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Leave it.
Alright. What's next?
Then place the test tube into the volcano form. Add a squirt of dishwashing liquid. Sarah, I'm doing it. To the vinegar.
Okay.
To the vinegar.
That's why you should let me do it. This is for good. Oh no.
Okay. Gently mix.
I got this. I'm your assistant. Gently. That's a lot. That's roughly. You guys gently do it.
Oh, I got burned on me. Assistant. Bad assistant.
Okay.
Fill the rest of the test tube with red volcano powder.
How much do you have to put in?
I don't know.
Just put a scoop. Inside?
And stand back and watch your volcano erupt.
Oh. Some more.
Now what if when you're doing it?
Oh, gross. That was not really a good eruption. Here, I got the system. I got the system.
Poke it down.
Yeah, poke it and mix it. There it goes.
It's popping. Watch it erupt.
Yeah.
Hit the heaven, a miracle.
Miracle.
Poke it down, assistant. And that is our volcano experiment. And this is how it works. The red volcano powder is basically colored with baking soda. You already know what happens when vinegar and baking soda meet. They make carbon dioxide gas. But what happens when you add soap to the mix, the gas combined with the soap makes tons of bubbles. They blast out of your model volcano in a shower of suds as long as the reaction keeps going. The lava keeps flowing. Tip. Out of the red volcano powder, use baking soda and drops of red food colors. And that's how it works.